I'm Fran McDonald from McDonald Physical Therapy. I want to talk about something that people ask me as young as 40 and up. Sometimes people ask me, how come my posture, I'm not a little hunched over and my head's not a little hunched over when I'm several months away from 70? So many people start bending forward as they age and they don't know why they bend forward. Well, something we don't talk about usually, which is gravity's actually pulling us back to the fetal position as we age. And it's one of the main reasons as we get older, we end up hunched over, walking like this, wondering how did we end up hunched over? There's gravity-assisted muscles, which are really important, but there's anti-gravity assisted muscles, which are very important, but rarely are they worked on. Even people who are into heavy-duty exercise, most of them don't know. So they're doing tons of sit-ups. When I do a sit-up, what's happening? I'm shortening and strengthening the abdominals, which is a gravity muscle. People don't think about that. They need to get on their stomach and work muscles in their back so that they would reverse that if they exercise. Believe it or not, curls, great, but they round us off. So we need something to get that tight and strong. The muscles that are anti-gravity, which keep you erect, are behind you in the back, which people do not strengthen or work on or notice. So you have to work the back. You have to work hip extensors, external rotators. You need to be exercising anti-gravity. Now, if you are not active and you don't exercise, you might sit a lot. If you're sitting, all these muscles, your abdominal muscles, your leg muscles, your hip muscles, you're telling them it's okay to be like this or be at a computer like this and your head like this. The problem is those muscles get tighter and tighter. Those are gravity muscles. They give in to gravity with us. So that's why if you sit for long periods of time, we've all done this. We go, you get out of the car after a long drive. Well, it would be better if you actually started doing that every day, 6 or 10 times, repetitively, 3 or 4 times a day, 5 times a day, because it stretches out these gravity-assisted muscles, which pull us down, and they allow us to stretch them and actually engage your anti-gravity. Prolonged sitting is the greatest cause of our health degenerating over time. It's that bad. It's like the nowadays smoking of old. And that's why if you're in a work environment, technically, if you could get up every 45, 60 minutes, just walk around. Actually, if you could just extend, get some blood flow, open everything up, because all the arteries that come down through here and you're compressing them, you'd be healthier and you would get just as much done, but you'd be in less chance of aggravating necks, shoulders, backs, etc. The reason I want to educate you on this is because it's very hard to undo. So anyway, just a quick or not so quick bunch of rules you can think about or thoughts to keep yourself straight.